Hey, what's up guys? We are disappointed that the Xiaomi skipped Mi Mix 4. Xiaomi launched the Mi Mix Alpha, which is a conceptual smartphone with a wraparound display in the month of September. Though some netizens were still expecting to see Mi Mix 4 possible to launch before the end of this year. A senior Xiaomi official shattered all the hopes after he publicly announced that the company will not be launching Mi Mix 4 in 2019. Further contributing to this story, an unreleased Xiaomi smartphone has been spotted online which is alleged to be Mi Mix 4. Even though the images were blurred out before being posted online, we can clearly see a smartphone box with Mi Mix branding on top. The front fascia of the alleged Mi Mix 4 is highly reminiscent of the previously launched Vivo X3 that features a highly screen-to-body ratio display with extremely curved edges aka Waterfall Display. Except for the fact that this device runs on MIUI and it has a curved display, not much can be derived. Recalling reports from the past, Mi Mix 4 is claimed to have a remarkably high refresh rate of 120Hz. Besides, it is also rumored that it will be the world's first smartphone with a Qualcomm's 4th generation ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Unfortunately, neither the rumored specs nor the alleged images of the Mi Mix 4 can be verified at this stage. Henceforth, we will have to wait till the time further details are revealed, either via official or unofficial leaks or resources. Till that time, we will wait for Mi Mix 4. Hope Xiaomi will soon launch it. So this is all we know about the upcoming Mi Mix 4. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and what you feel about the Mi Mix 4 or what you expect to see in Mi Mix 4, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.